Congress party is spending more than 1,000 crores to make Rahul Gandhi happy. Happy Rahul Gandhi. I think the gift to Rahul Gandhi. This is not gift to any Karnataka citizen. It's a gift for Rahul Gandhi. It's a Congress party program, Bharat Jodo. How can they be doing the money, spending the money from the taxpayers' account? So this is illegal. Already guarantee committees, they are spending more than 150 crores for the Congress party workers. President Revana, his house only they are spending 58 lakhs rupees. One person, 4-5 vice president is there. They are given houses, government minister houses. As an opposition leader, for me no house. For the guarantee Samiti, Congress party workers, they are giving the houses. They are spending crores of rupees. So I think they are not paying Asha Karyakarta salaries. So pensions, last 3 months, they are not given the money. More than 2,000 crores. More than 2,000 crores, they are not given the money to pension holders. There is no medicine in the hospitals. So they are doing Bharat Jodos, they are spending thousands. Farmers are suiciding. Farmers are in the street. They are asking the money for the farmers. There is no water, there is no crop. But farmers, they are not spending the money for the farmers. They are spending for the Congress party worker. It is shame to Congress party. I condemn it.